Hello, we are group-based designer T2G3. Today, I will be presenting our usability testing project for the Dream PC website. Our team has 4 members. I conducted all the moderated task interviews. 2 team members analyze the data from moderated tasks, while the fourth member build the remote tasks and help analyze the data. We conduct 5 moderated tasks with 5 participants and 5 remote tasks with 23 participants, including 3 first-click tests and 2 tree-check tests. We present our findings using an affinity diagram. We identified key issues in 6 categories by Nelson's 10 usability principles, each category highlighting specific usability problems observed during our tests. This table summarizes issues related to the system status visibility. Users often couldn't confirm if they were on the correct page and had problem tracking orders. 60% of users failed to identify their page correctly. Recommendations include adding clear visual indicators and improving order tracking features. These are the results of our tree-check tests. Most participants failed to navigate to the correct sections, highlighting significant navigation issues and the need for clear indicators. We detail issues related to the navigation consistency and standards. Many users found the navigation labels confusing. 70 failed to find the news section correctly, and 57% couldn't locate specific information in the tree-check section. Recommendations focus on improving label and navigation clarity. This is the tree-check test process. It highlights areas where users struggle to find information, indicating a need for a better navigation design.
So our third finding is all about error prevention. The first issue was privacy issue. We can see that the fifth participant mentioned that I'm worried about my privacy, that there are no clear instructions if my data is secure. We have seen this issue in 80% of users, and the severity of the issue is high. We recommend to implement clear privacy notifications in order to avoid this issue. The second issue is compatibility issues. The first participant mentioned that I'm not sure if these parts will work together. 50% of users observed this issue, and the severity of the problem is medium. We recommend implementing a compatibility checker function that will help user to choose the PC in real time. So we can see there is no function, compatibility function. The fourth finding is about lack of search bar and excessive filters. The absence of a search bar was a big problem because the first participant mentioned that I'm accustomed to using only search bars. Without it, it's inconvenient to search for something. 65% of users had this problem, and the severity was very high. The excessive filters made a little bit trouble because some people noticed that too many filters may cause some problems, and the severity of the issue is too high. We can see in this slide that the amount of filters is just over 10 filters in one page.
The fifth finding addresses the issue related to aesthetic and minimalist design. During our survey, many participants noted that the page information was overly complex, with the excess of details making it difficult to locate the target content. Additionally, there was a feedback about the lack of clear visual cues and guidance, preventing timely target location. As demonstrated on the following page, the information is too complex to focus. Our recommendation is to reduce the amount of information displayed and use clearer language to convey complex details. Clear and appropriate guidance should be provided on the page too. The sixth issue concerns help and documentation. Many users found the FQA page overly complicated with too many categories and lacking clear guidance, which made it difficult to find necessary information. In our first click test, over 80% of participants couldn't locate the FQA section. As shown, the FQA section contains only fixed topics. If users have additional questions, they are unable to obtain immediate assistance. We suggest that officials provide more precise instructional guidance to facilitate website use. Furthermore, we recommend setting up clearer and simpler categories under the FQA, allowing users to explore specific details after clicking on each category.
Thank you. I will introduce the recommendation for the website. First, we suggest to highlight the key feature on the homepage. This will make it easier for user to find important feature like GPU performance comparison and order tracking. Second, we recommend optimizing the navigation bar by grouping the related item and renaming them for clarity. For example, combine customer build and pre-built under computer build. This will help user understand the navigation bar and make the navigating process smooth. Meanwhile, we proposed improving the page element by marking the current location at the top of each page and adding the search bars. This will help users know where they are and find what they need quickly in the current page. We also suggest embedding an AI-integrated chat box to provide assistance and advice. Additionally, we recommend integrating the order information page within our website instead of using Trello to reduce the privacy issues, and users won't be confused about why they go to the other website. Finally, we suggest adding a page that introduces the computer component. This will help users understand and choose the right one for their need. Thank you for watching the video, and that's all for our presentation.